right, rather than the message, right? So you got to give me a chance after I tell you this. The sky's not blue. Okay? What I mean by that is the Buddhists are right. Nothing in the universe has an absolute state of existence independent of anything else. For example, you had thought, like I used to think, the sky was blue whether humans were around or not. The sky's blue. It's just how it is. Okay? But that's not how it is. It's all in our head. Okay? What we know of the universe, right? We know the universe. We know that. What I love is we have our own creation story. The Big Bang, the beginning of space and time. And we know a lot. And we know that out of 100% of the composition, the stuff that makes up the universe, we're only dealing, our total reality is only dealing with 4% of it. 96% of it we label as dark matter or dark energy because it either doesn't emit light, or if it emits light, it doesn't have anything to do with us, right? Right? I'm not talking about invisible light like gamma rays and microwaves. They got stuff to do with us, right? Like microwave. Okay. So what are we stuck with? We're stuck with the matter and energy that we know, and our total reality, what you see out there is dependent on what? Visible light, electromagnetic radiation. Yeah, light again, not, yeah, okay. And of that we just see visible light. Okay, and what do? Okay, do ocean waves have color? Do radio waves have color? Do sound waves have color? Light waves don't have color. They're waves. Okay? Okay? All right? And what happens is, the longest wavelength, like any kind of wave, you measure, hey, when's the next break? You're on, crest to crest. Longest wavelength, we paint in violet. Shortest wavelength, we paint in violet. And then every other color in between with every other wavelength, we do it really, really fast. And when I say paint it in, I mean just like those color by number books. 3's yellow, 4's blue, and at the end you got a picture. It says we're coloring in by wavelength. And it's, you dream at night and you go, holy fuck, a duck, how do I do that? That's amazing, creating a 3D landscape with your eyes closed. Hey, we're doing exactly the same thing right now with our eyes open. We're creating an image in our head based on the light we're receiving, except now it's even crazier. We're seeing it out there. The image is actually in our head. All right? It's not that there's not an isness out there or something's out there, but it's a far cry from what we're looking at, folks. Okay. Now, where I find it's interesting is I bring time into the equation, and E equals mc squared tells us a very fascinating thing about time. That even time is not absolute. Time is not this ineluctable linear thing that's clocking off. For example, the way time works is the faster an object of mass moves against the speed of light, the slower it physically experiences time. 2 twins born today, put one in a rocket ship and send them off at 200,000 kilometers a second, 2/3 the speed of light. Bring him back in 40 Earth years. Earth twin's 40. Rocket-bound twin steps out. He's still a hunk of 20. Aged half the time because he was going so fast against the speed of light. That's standard physics. Where I've taken it is, I ask, what's light's relationship to time? Okay? Light, the photons, are going at the speed of light. Therefore, in English, best I can do is they're not in time, they're outside time, they're not experiencing time. Right? They're going at the speed of light. They're massless, but they're going at the speed of light. So what's the really? That seems like the best I can do. Then, if you'd agree with me that it's the unconscious, and that's not really unconscious, it's really just has a different consciousness somewhere else. The I, the processor that I was talking about, the painter in your head, well, it's receiving the light. It's making sense of that light. Doesn't it logically have to be doing it at the speed of light to keep up with the light? You following me? Yeah. And it's called the quantum non-local function. That's something else. Okay. So if it's going, so that means that I is also not in time, outside time, whatever. Now, anecdotally, I can give you some evidence for this. Okay, and this is as far as I can take it. Is if you could speak to a photon, an imaginal exercise, and photons have ego consciousness, this consciousness, and you go, hey, Fody, what do you know about time? We go, huh, what? It's really kind of retarded. Can't even talk about tomorrow or yesterday. It's stuck. The photon, the best you could find out from the photon, it's stuck where? It's stuck now. Now. That's all it would know is now. No past or present, just now. Where are you stuck? Where's your consciousness right now? Now. We're trapped like the light. Now, our whole consciousness, everything, this is observer and phenomena, as the Buddhists pointed out. Observer, phenomena are one and the same. And right away, up until this year, this is my 60th year, I hadn't really got, one of those epiphanies. This is what's an epiphany for me, is no longer is it poetry, the light of consciousness. There's got to be a deep meaning in there. That's all I'm suggesting to you. Okay?